Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a hot tool or hot brush for our review today. This tool I got in my BoxyCharm. It said it retailed for $150. We get all kinds of tools and all kinds of products in our BoxyCharms, and sometimes we just don't care enough to review it. And this is one of those things. It's unique enough. We definitely want to review it. So this is what it comes looking like. This is a mini hot brush from Soleil. I know I'm saying that wrong, but yeah. So we pull it out, and this is what it looks like. It is kind of a orange color. It's not very big. It is good for traveling with that size, but as you can see, not even used it, not even untied it. So I'm going to go ahead and heat it up, and then we are going to brush my hair. And it looks like all it has right here to turn it on, and that's it. So you can see the little light. Maybe you can't. There you go. Light is on, so we let it heat up. Okay, so it is already hot. Not super hot because I can still do this, but I can feel the heat. It's only been like a minute, maybe 2 minutes at most. Now I did put a thermal product in my hair before this just to protect it, because when you apply heat it does damage your hair, so I wanted to protect it. So it doesn't really matter the brand as long as you do something to take care of your hair. So let's see what this does. I know, lie, this works a lot better than I thought it would. I did not expect it to work this quickly or this good. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the hair, but you can see right here what it looks like undone. This is just a few times through. Let me do a little bit more. You see, nice and smooth. So yeah, you can see a big difference between the two sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and we'll talk a little bit more about it after. Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the and I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. I could probably make it a little straighter, but I don't really need to. It gets hot super fast. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is smoking a little bit. So this is definitely something you don't hold in your hair too long so you don't burn it. It does work really, really well. Obviously, the more you brush it, the straighter it gets. One thing I really do like about this hot brush versus a flat iron is you still have plenty of volume at the roots, so it's not flat against your head. So I do like that. I don't really have anything negative to say other than the fact that, you know, like I said, I don't know if you can see it, but it is legit smoking from the heat and how it kind of burns your hair. So definitely make sure you use a thermal product to protect your hair from the heat, and don't hold it in your hair so you don't burn off your hair. Other than that, I actually do really like this. I think this is something I probably will use, probably will take with me on a trip or two. And that is it of the video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And let me know down below your thoughts about this hot heated brush. Anyways, that is it of the video. I hope to see you in the next one.
Sometimes I say that I want you back.